Chromatography. The chromatography is a modern and sensitive technique used for a rapid and efficient analysis and separation of components of a mixer and purification of compound. Here the introduction of the paper chromatography. The paper chromatography is a chromatographic techniques used to separate a mixture of chemical substance into its individual compounds. Principle. All chromatography follow the same principle. Here, what is the all chromatography means? There are some types of chromatography techniques available. That is column chromatography, thin layer chromatography, gas chromatography, and paper chromatography. Here, we are going to discuss the paper chromatography and the experiment also the paper chromatography. The paper chromatography consists of two phases. One is mobile phase and another one is stationary phase. The stationary phase is a paper and the mobile phase is a solvent. Then the compound mixers, that is the mixers move along with the mobile phase through stationary phase and separates depending on the different degree of the each component, that is on the paper in the each component in a sample are the compounds of mixer. First, aim of the experiment. Aim of the experiment: separate the colored components present in the mixture of red and blue inks by ascending paper chromatography and find their RF value. Apparatus and chemical requirements: Whatman filter paper, fine capillary tube, red and blue inks, solvents, that is alcohol and distilled water. Procedure: Whatman filter paper, you have to take Whatman filter paper or the chromatographic filter paper, draw a line with the help of pencil and above 3 centimeter from the one end. Then take a capillary tube, put a drop of mixture of red and blue ink at the point P, that is the point means center of the line. Then dry the paper, then suspend the filter paper vertically in a beaker with containing solvent. Then observe it that mixture of blue and red ink slowly separates, that is blue ink and red ink. Measure the scale, that is with the help of scale measure the values, blue ink distance traveling of blue ink and distance traveling of the red ink and the distance traveling of the solvents. Then you can find the RF value. The RF value is distance traveled by the blue or red ink divided by distance traveled by the solvent. Look, the student beakers contain solvent, that is mixture of alcohol and water. Now I am going to keep the chromatographic paper in this beaker. Leave it sometimes. Do not disturb the filter paper. The solvent, that is the mixer, blue and red inks slowly separate out. Can you see, students, slowly rising the solvent level? So the separation of blue and red ink has started. After some time they reach the solvent level and the blue ink levels and red ink level. We will see. Now separating the blue and red ink clearly you can see. The solvent level also same. The blue ink, red ink and the solvent levels are same only. After separating the mixer, the solvent level will rise. So you have to measure the value. Now see students, the blue inks are separated and now separating the red ink. So solvent level slowly rising. Now students, look here, the blue ink and red ink completely separate. The solvent level is above the blue and red ink. Can you see the solvent level? The solvent level. So now you have to dry it, the paper, then measure the values. Now I am going to measure the distance. First the blue ink up to this mark and the red ink up to this mark, and the solvent level up to this mark. Now I will tell you the reading. The blue ink, distance traveled blue ink is 5 centimeter. Then the distance traveled from the point red ink is 6.6 centimeter. Then the solvent level is 7.1 centimeter. So you have to note the value in the tabular column. Observation table. The substance red ink plus blue ink, the distance traveled by different components. First one is the 6.6 centimeter, that is distance traveled by the red ink. Then the distance traveled by solvent is 7.1. So 6.6 divided by 7.1 is equal 0.92. The RF value is 0.92. That is retention factor value. Then second is red ink plus blue ink, the substance. Distance traveled by the different components. Here blue ink 5 centimeter. Distance traveled by the solvent is 7.1 centimeter. And RF value is 5 divided by 7.1, 0.70. So this is the RF value, and you have to paste the chromatographic paper in your record notebook.